All right, guys. Cap out here at Tim's Harley Davidson. Just spoke with management. Good news. I can show you everything that we got off the truck today. All right, so to start with, here we got this Lowrider ST. This is in that red rock color. We've got a few things in red rock. Really cool color. 2024 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST in red rock. Over here we got a 2024 Harley Davidson Nightster S. This is in billiard gray. White onyx pearl. So this is onyx. This is the billiard gray. Sorry, I was having another conversation while talking to you guys too. 2024 Nightster S, 975 Revolution Max engine in billiard gray. That's that white onyx pearl. We'll catch that on the inside here in a minute.